Let's have an example in the time rate system. So this is the question. Robert's hourly rate is 15,000. So he's paid 15,000 per hour that he works. During a particular week, he worked for 60 hours, including 8 hours for a Saturday and 5 hours for a Sunday. It is the employer's policy to pay a 50% higher than the normal rate for a Saturday. Then and double a rate for a Sunday in respect of extra time worked. So they want us to compute Robert's week's wage based on the above information. So we are using the time rate method. So for the time rate, it is time or the hours worked times the pay per hour. Pay per hour or the time rate. So here they have told us that Robert was being paid 15,000 per hour, and during a particular week he worked for 60 hours, but 8 of the 60 hours were for a Saturday, then 5 of them were for a Sunday. So we are going to first get the 60 hours. 60 hours, we subtract the 8 hours for a Saturday, then we also subtract the 5 hours for a Sunday, and what we get will be 47 hours, and these are the number of hours he worked during the week. So we shall get 47 times what is paid per hour, 15,000. So times 15,000. What we get is 700. That is what he earned in the week. Then we also calculate the ones for Saturday. They were like he worked for 8 hours on Saturday. So 8 hours times they were like, it's the employer's policy to pay a 50% higher. So if the person is earning 15,000 per hour, meaning they are going to add 50% of the 15,000. So it's going to be times 15,000 plus 50% of 15,000, which is 8 times 50%. This is 15,000. 50% of this, it is 7,500. Like that. So it will be 8 times 22,500. So this times this, it will be 180,000. So that is what he earned on a Saturday. Then for a Sunday, he worked for 5 hours. So 5 hours times, they were like double the rate for a Sunday. So the rate for a Sunday, it's just 15,000 times 2, which is 30,000. So it is 5 times 30,000, which is 150. So he earned 150 on a Sunday. So in order for us to get Robert his wage, his entire wage, we are going to add this 750 plus the 180 plus the 150. So what we get is Robert his wage. Robert his wage is 1M, 35,000 UGX. This plus this plus this. So it is a matter of interpreting the question. Yeah, thanks for watching.